hello, my little rays of sunshine. Welcome back to another Michelle's Moments. And it's been quite some time since I've had a Michelle's Moments. But look what I got in my P.O. box. Very exciting. Very, very exciting. So I thought it would be nice to do a mail call today. We can start with this beautiful picture here. And I'll give you a nice close-up. This is a beautiful, beautiful picture. And I'm going to read a little bit on the back to you. Let's put my glasses on here. This is from Noelle. And she writes, "Happy belated birthday. This is an old painting I did 10 years ago. I used to spend my summers in Nova Scotia. My grandfather lived in Tuscot. And Tuscot is only 15 minutes, a 15-minute drive from where I live here in Yarmouth, Nova Scotia. But this is a beautiful painting that Noelle did. Noelle, this is absolutely beautiful. You're definitely very, very artistic and very, very talented. And thank you. Thank you. I feel very honored that you would send this to me. Thank you so much. And she said that she loves my channel. Thank you, Noelle. It's very kind of you to say. And I sure do appreciate your support and for watching. But this is a beautiful, beautiful painting. And I love having a copy of this painting too. This is very, very special. Definitely a keeper. Thank you, Noelle. I'm just going to move my tea here so I can take a look at the next envelope. Ta-da! Ta-da! I'm always very, very excited receiving things in my P.O. box. And I haven't opened this yet, so the element of surprise is definitely there. Okay. Okay, there we go. Let's put that there. Oh, look at this. Happy belated birthday. Oh, that's great. Thank you. That's very, very nice. I love the cover of that. All the different colored balloons. It's very, very shiny. Thank you. This is nice. And I'll take a peek on the inside here. Oh my goodness, what is this? Wow, thank you. Oh my goodness, there's two there. Oh my goodness. $2 gift cards. Oh my goodness. I gotta read this card. Michelle, a little late but ever so sincere. Hope you had a terrific birthday and have an even better year. Best wishes, Sharon. Sharon. Sharon, thank you. Thank you. Oh my goodness gracious, Sharon. Wow, thank you. That's very exciting. Wow, thank you so much. This is very amazing. Thank you. Very, very thoughtful of you. Wow, this is so good. And when I go and use my gift cards, I'll take everyone along with me. Thank you, Sharon. This is amazing. Amazing, amazing. I'm going to have fun using these gift cards up. Wow, thank you so much. This is terrific. Thank you. Thank you so much. I'm always just so thrilled whenever I receive mail in my P.O. box, and I definitely feel honored. So thank you again, Noelle, and thank you, Sharon, and everybody who has sent me mail through my P.O. box. I absolutely love it. I love it. I love receiving mail in my P.O. box. And I want something else to talk to you about here. As you can see, I have my magic 8 ball here. And I had a lot of fun on my birthday when quite a few of you had sent me some fun and funny magic 8 ball questions. And it was so much fun just to hear what the magic 8 ball had to answer and say. So I thought, wouldn't it be fun again if any of you have some fun and funny questions for the magic 8 ball? And on my next Michelle's Moments, I can go through them one at a time, and we can all have a very good laugh. Well, my friends, thank you for joining me here today. And here is my pot of tea. And here is my cup of tea. And here's to you all, my little rays of sunshine.